As far as Mr. Farina's conduct and what that demonstrates, it's never been our position that the incident that is captured on video that I'm sure we've all seen, where Mr. Farina was using that rag on Mr. Brooks, was some kind of deliberate intent to choke him to death at that moment. But it's a pretty disturbing course of conduct among what everybody else was doing. And I do disagree with Mr. Lioto that.
Hello, critical thinkers. Hope all is well. Please like the video, share the video, comment below on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please also click on the bell notification icon and select all so that you will be notified when I go live. Defense counsel for former Marcy corrections officer Anthony Farina sought to have the murder indictment against him dropped in Oneida County Court this past Monday morning. Farina is one of 10 officers involved in the beating death of inmate Robert Brooks at Marcy Correctional Facility in December 2024. He is facing charges of murder and manslaughter. Farina's attorney, James Riota II, argued that Farina only meant to remove the pepper spray from Brooks' face and did not hurt him. Now, you really cannot make this up. So Farina's defense attorney is alleging in court that he was helping Robert Brooks by attempting to remove pepper spray from his face. Everyone and their mother saw the footage. This is an upside down world where you can attempt to take the footage and make it look like something that it is totally not. Well, when someone has been pepper sprayed, they have to have the contaminant taken off their body and off their face, said Riota. What Mr. Farina was attempting to do was use a sanitary wipe to wipe the face of Mr. Brooks. When inmate Brooks bit him, that was not, as portrayed by the state, some kind of murder attempt by stuffing something down his throat, close quote. Now, let's take a look at the actual court footage to see what the prosecutor responded in this scenario.
As far as Mr. Farina's conduct and what that demonstrates, it's never been our position that the incident that is captured on video that I'm sure we've all seen, where Mr. Farina was using that rag on Mr. Brooks, was some kind of deliberate intent to choke him to death at that moment. But it's a pretty disturbing course of conduct among what everybody else was doing. And I do disagree with Mr. Lioto that the evidence showed that he was just trying to get pepper spray off Mr. Brooks, because policy is, and there's eye wash stations, and there's stations specifically to get water on incarcerated individuals, to get pepper spray off of them that's been used on them. The evidence showed pretty clearly that that's not what Mr. Farina was doing. If anything, it seems pretty clear that he was trying to rub the pepper spray into Mr. Brooks's face. In any case, from there, he did punch Mr. Brooks in the face repeatedly, and that is the only blows that landed on Mr. Brooks' face. The evidence showed that before Mr. Farina, Mr. Brooks did not have a broken nose, and yet after this assault, he did. And the medical examiner was very clear. One of the things that caused Mr. Brooks to die was inhaling his own blood.
If you found value in this video, please like the video, comment below. Don't forget to share the video. And if you feel that I've earned it, please subscribe to the channel. My goal is to give you honest and direct feedback and go deeper than what the mainstream media is telling you. Take care, God bless, and see you next time.